Wait.
Security officer, you gotta be vigilant, you gotta be sensitive, and you gotta stay strong. Oh, security officer, you gotta be vigilant, you gotta be sensitive, and you need to stay awake. Security officer, that's what you are paid for. To stay awake throughout the night. So be awake, be on your feet, stay alert. Security officer, you need to be vigilant. You need to be responsive. Take responsibility. Oh, security officer, you need to be responsive. Oh, you need to be sensitive. You need to be alert. You need to be responsive. Oh, no, no, sitting down. No, no, nodding your head. No, no, shaking your head. No, no, closing your eyes. You need to be on your feet. You need to be sensitive. You need to be active and be responsive and be responsible. I forgot my words. No, no, no. But I'll keep singing it, singing it, singing it. You need to be smiling. You need to be laughing. You need to be serious on the night. Because the security of this building is in your hand. So don't play with it and take it lightly. You need to be serious. You need to be awake and be vigilant. Oh, security officer, you need to be vigilant. Oh yeah. You need to be sensitive. Take responsibility. All right. Let's go singing. Then you got meow 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 meow.
Do a cave.
Let it go. Woo!
You're gonna get beaten.
Thank you.